and welcome to MySylvanianWorld.
So today we're going to be opening the Latte Cat Family. I really love their clothes designs and especially the checker design on the mother and daughter dresses.
And the little chocolate dip waffle is really cute as well, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
And the little coffee cups as well.
Just quickly show you the box. So now let's open them.
So here's the Japanese leaflet thing, which I think is not really any important information. It's just about, I don't know, maybe like warnings or choking hazards, stuff like that. And here's the family. So we've got the mother first. You want to take it out of the bag? So we don't know their names yet, as I don't think they've come out in the UK yet. But we will translate them, hopefully, maybe on Google Translate.
So she's got a really nice vest with some lace on the edges and a nice like coral pink top.
Then we've got baby.
Very cute with his little turquoise suit. Oh, I haven't got a suit, it's very cute.
I like her little like bow on her dress.
Matches the little her little brother's suit.
And then lastly the father. And he's got a very smart suit on.
So now I'm going to open all the really cute little accessories.
And the packaging is really, really cute as well.
Got like a little like flowery middle. So here they are. So we've got two really cute little coffee cups.
They look really cute, and also they've got a little hole bin so they can hold them in their paws, which I think is really, really cute. We've also got a chocolate dip waffle that looks so yummy with a little plate. So cute. We don't have many waffles, do we? So it's nice to have a waffle.
And we don't have a chocolate dip one, which is very nice.
We've also got a little bag with a little bow, which I guess could be a shopping bag if they want to go shopping. And that is really, really pretty. So it's nice that it comes with little accessories. I think it's like really, really cute. And here's the catalogue, which will show you more detail in a minute. But it's in Japanese, so we can't read it.